Okay, so this is actually quite an interesting and actually quite simple graph. So the idea is we have kind of almost like a balance account here. We make some sales, worth $5 million, and then we have all these various expenses which are negative. So you can see here with the formula, this is minus 3,200,000, etc., etc., etc. And then in the end, we have kind of the total income for the period. So we would start off almost, with our profit at 5 million, and then various things would be subtracted until we get the net income. Now, this can be visualized using a waterfall model. So let's select this, and let's go to insert. And if you look kind of the top of the graphs, we've got insert waterfall, stock, funnel, stock, surface, or radar chart. So this is kind of where a lot of the and there was the radar we did before. A lot of the kind of the more kind of fancy business focused charts are. So we click this here and basically selecting everything. And we're just going to kind of call this we'll just call this the net income waterfall. And the thing is here, for this to work, is the 444,000 is kind of what's left over. At the moment, it's actually just counted as a credit on the balance. So select it, click it with the left click it again. So click once, wait, and then click a second time, and you will actually get this single point kind of highlighted. Then format data point, which I've got already. And you notice there's the three kind of subtabs, and the one with the graph. This time I'm going to put set as total. So you can see here that this is now considered to be what's left over. So we have our credit, then we have our debits, and then we're left with 444,000. This is just a way of kind of where you're looking at something is like going to be balanced. For example, profit loss. It's just a nice visual way of showing it. And then maybe I'll just put some axis things in here, as I usually do. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'll just put, it's not kind of just dollars, account dollars. And the x-axis is kind of pretty much explanatory because it's basically the sales versus expenses versus the net income. So I think we'll just leave that be. We'll make it a little bit larger. And there we have it. We have the net income model.